Oh my goodness, they look like teeth. Lord, they look like teeth. Hold on, girl. Alright, hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. Y'all already know what time it is. Go and get you something to eat on, something to drink on, sit on down and watch this little video. Today I'll be showing you how to make some polygel press on duck nail tips, okay? Now I'm not a big ducky girl, you know. Actually, this is my first time ever wearing duck nail tips, and to be truthfully honest with you, I'm a little scared. But anyway, so I'm gonna go in using these little tab things right here because ain't nobody got time to be putting these things on me. I'll be out here looking like a clear fool, girl, and I ain't got time to be trying to put nothing on me permanent and you walk around here looking all crazy. You can get somebody else to do that one. So I'm gonna use these here little tabs right here, and if they don't look right, girl, we gonna pop these jokers clean on off, okay, and save them for another day. But these are the duck nails right here. Okay, let me open them up. Ooh, I don't know. Ooh, I don't know about these, y'all. I'm a little scared. Anyway, girl. Alright, so the color I'm going to go in using today will be this here Nail Reserve Pink. This one is called Melrose District. And I believe this will be a beautiful, beautiful pink color for the design that I'm going in using today, okay? So I also have a few more colors from that from this company, and I went ahead and swatched those. So these are the other colors here, and this here right here would be the color that I'm going to use today. I said, now look in here, I get the perfect blue now to go with my little blue jean. Look at that, I could have used that blue for my little blue jean nails, girl, but I ain't even have it, no. But anyway, that's for Aqualicious. So if you want to go over there and check that out, girl, I'm going to have all information down in the description. Blah, blah. Girl, that would have been the perfect blue for my little nail design. But I didn't get them, girl, until like a few days later. So I was just a little hit on that situation. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay? Wish me luck. Fingers crossed. Say a little prayer. Say a little prayer for me. Alright, I have some short square hole nail tips here. So I'm going to apply these to my nails with these sticky tabs. So I'm going to apply the rest of the nail tips to the finger. These things stick. Ooh, these suckers are a little sticky. They're a little sticky. Wow. Girl, that got some stick to it. Hold on. These ain't coming off easy. It's almost like some glue. Let me go ahead and finish applying these. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to go in. I'm going to just snatch the tip off of each nail here. I was going to keep this length, but I changed my mind. So I'm just take the tip of it off. Right there at the number. Alright, so now I'm going to go in. I'm going to take the shine off each nail tip. And I'm going to go in with my handy dandy glue here. I add my nail tips to my little fingers here now. I'm trying to file this here and bring this in just a little bit. I'm not going to do too much filing because I'm going to do all that after I apply the polygel to the nails. But I do want to bring it in on the sides just a tad bit. Girl, I ain't never filed. Well, of course, it's my first time, so duh. I have no idea how I'm going to file these here and keep a duck shape, girl, because sure, this is challenging. This is very challenging, girl. But I'm always up for a challenge, so. Uh-oh. See, I'm here now. Alright, that ain't cool. Hold on, y'all. Let's try this one more time. Have no fool on me. Alright, I'm going to go in and apply my polygel to each nail. There's no need for me to add any type of primer or bond because these are press-on nails. So. See, when you don't add enough polygel, you can always go in and add more. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. Okay. Alright, I'm going to cure this and I'll be right back. Girl, is it me? Or is these nails not ducking? Because, they look like teeth to me. If you ask me, they ain't looking like no duck. Girl, they look like teeth. They look like teeth. They over here teething, girl. They not ducking. They teething. Y'all can go ahead on with these duckies. I'm just here to tell you, child, y'all can keep this. I don't know what this is, but I'ma continue. We done made it too far, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up. I'm going ahead and finish this up. Oh my goodness, they look like teeth. Lord, they look like teeth. Hold on, girl. Alright, so I have some foils here, girl, and being that this is going to be a Barbie set, I want to try and go in with some of these little Barbie foils. But, yeah, at first I wasn't going to use them because I was just like, But then I said, nah, this is a Barbie set, so why not use Barbie on the little ducky nails? So I think I'm going to go in and apply Barbie to this middle nail here. Maybe, let's see how that look. Girl, if it don't look right, we're taking it off, we're going to bling it out, and that's going to be that. I'm going to go in and add my Melrose District by Nail Reserve. Alright, y'all, this is my final look. Y'all tell me what y'all think about my little Barbie nails. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Child, I had to make it work, baby. These suckers over here looking like some teefuses. I ain't got time for that. Girl, no, we ain't got time for all of that. So this here is my final look. Tell me what y'all think. Don't think I'm going to be able to slap my little rings on my fingers, but girl, that's it. I appreciate y'all watching. Until next time, girl, I'm out.